Hey, what's up? I'm B-Boy Deg, known as Cedric, and I represent BC Breakers. BC Breakers is a B-Boy crew from East London, and we've just come back from the Nationals in Cape Town, and yeah, we ended up coming second. But to our surprise, yeah, we managed to make it to the finals, and that never happened in East London's breakdancing history. So we're proud of ourselves, and we believe that we are monuments of East London. And this is the crew, fresh from Cape Town as well. B-Boy Smoke, B-Boy Beans, B-Boy Ranks, and that's us in a nutshell. We are the
BC Breakers!